when doctors said walking backwards is good for health. What happens when you get your crush's confession?
糯米，过来，过来，糯米。
Just caught my reflection in the car window. Yep, I still gorgeous.
Oh my god. You don't even love me. You just want my snacks.
We step on it. Oh, Basil, I'm so sorry. It's not funny. I'm just trying to do it quickly. Can I get the vacuum cleaner too?
Nice, cool.
No cups, buddy. It's not dinner time. No cups, buddy. No snack.
No. Go to bed. You need to go to bed. You need to go to bed. No, what's your problem? What's your problem? I ain't got nothing to do with this. I'm gonna take you to the pound. I'm dropping you off. I'm dropping you off at the pound.
Hi, are we hungry? Come on. Are you starving?
How are we're gonna go for a walk, and then we're gonna go visit Marley and Archie and Eddie, and then we're gonna go out, and then we're gonna see some of the people, and then we're gonna get some chicken.
Joey, can you wag your tail? Thank you.
What are you doing? Lola. No, stop digging. Stop digging. Stop. Stop. Stop.
Franklin, are you ignoring me? So serious.
Who could bear to close the door on such an adorable face? The kitten is so persistent, it finally squeezed in.
Excuse me.
Dee 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 dee.
Wally.
Maybe we'll see Bella. Or, I'm not sure yet though. But maybe we'll go for a walk. We'll go potty. We'll go get some tacos. He doesn't know what a taco is.
Nope. This is not on my menu today. Try again, human.
Max, give me your paw. Give me your paw. Okay. San Milamano. San Milamano.
You want hot dogs? Smokies.
Come on. Come on, let's go. You better get up here. Come on. Come on. What the? You get up here. You better get up on that porch. You better get up on it.
Did Daddy go to work? And then what did Thor do? What did you do all day? Oh.
Như cái sơ cũ rồi. Như cái sơ cũ.